This dictation material has been obtained from official para 35. I am therefore to request you that the observations of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, which have also been circulated endorsed by the federal government, may be brought to the notice of all the concerned for strict compliance. Full stop. I am directed to invite your attention to the instructions issued on the subject noted above by this department's circular letter dated 3rd November 1997 and 24 July 1999, in which it was clarified that where a post is likely to remain vacant for a period of less than 6 months and the appointing authority does not consider it expedient to make an appointment on ad hoc basis. Full stop. It may appoint the senior most civil servant who, in the opinion of the appointing authority, is eligible and suitable for promotion under the relevant rules on current charge basis. Full stop. An appointment made on current charge basis shall come to an end on appointment of a person on regular basis or on the expiry of 6 months, whichever is earlier. Full stop. Such appointments are made for short terms purely as a stopgap arrangement and at times when the administrative department cannot leave the posts unfilled. Full stop. Unseen. I was surprised to hear the Prime Minister's speech at the inaugural ceremony of the second LNG terminal at Port Qasim, Karachi, that imported LNG was the only solution to our energy crisis. Full stop. It is surprising to hear that, according to the Prime Minister, LNG is cheaper than other fuels to produce electricity. Full stop. A cheaper and long-term solution to our growing energy needs is the Pakistan-Iran gas project, on which a huge amount has been spent. Full stop. This is a safer and quicker solution. Full stop. Even having the pipeline only 2 kilometers inside Balochistan and using it for power generation will be cheaper than the imported LNG. Full stop. This gas can also be used to produce area fertilizer, on whose use to produce import we are spending a huge amount. Full stop. Also, there is a possibility for extending this pipeline to Afghanistan and China to earn a huge revenue as land rent. Full stop. Exploring gas on a war footing is another option. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore.